500 we have used completely. 100 we copied. 800 we have written 7. Why? Because how much we needed? We need 1200. How much we got? We got 800. This one you have used completely. So we will not consider 800. We will consider only part from 700. Do you used the first box? No. So what we should do? Copy, paste. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So, we are in session 11 of your topic called Cost Accounting. In Cost Accounting, we are doing the topic Material. Now, we are almost in the last stage of your material. Now, in today's session, we will work out one problem on Lifo method. Now, Lifo method, normal problems we have done. Lifo as well as FIFO, we have done with normal problems. Now, so whatever we are going to do in today's session, it will be the problem with adjustments. Now, in this, your today's session will be like, one will be concept and problems on Lifo. Now, concept, it comes along with your problems. Now, while doing problem, we will also understand the concept part. Now, problem number 3. Prepare a store ledger account from the following under Lifo method. Now, for FIFO as well as Lifo, every time the question will be same, but the method will be slightly changed. Now, so these are the informations we have. First one, your opening balance. Next, purchases, issue, purchases, and finally we have issue. The dates are January 1st, then your Jan 5th, 14th, 17th, 20th, 22nd, 25th, 28th, and it is 30th. Now, these are the informations available. Now, in this, in the rate column, they have given what is the rate of, in case of balance, in case of purchases, they will give you rates. Now, along with this, they have given adjustment also. What is that adjustment? The adjustment is on 31st January, stock verification revealed a shortage of 20 units. Now, shortage of 20 units means what? Now, shortage of 20 units means we call it as it is a issue. Remember, if there is any shortage or if there is any pilferage, if there is any theft, we always call it as it is a issue. That is the only adjustment you will get. Along with that, you may get like excess stock also. In the next session, we will work out that also. Now, so these are the informations we have. We will solve this problem. Now, so all the information they have given, this is for 2012. Now, so here column, it should be 2012, date, receipt, issue, and balance. We have date, receipt, issue as well as balance. Now, in this, stores ledger account under which method? Lifo method. Now, name of the material, bin number as well as code number. Similarly, maximum level, minimum level as well as ordering level. These are the informations we have. Now, in this, these are the informations we have. We have to solve one by one. We start with what? Balance. Now, first one, opening balance 100 units at rupees 12, January 1st. Jan 1st, opening balance. What is the balance here? 100 at rupees 12. Balance should come under receipt column or issue column. It will come under balance column. 100 at 12. Your quantity 100, value 12. So it is around 1200. It is around 1200. Now I'll go to next one. Your next one, January 5th, purchase of 800 units at rupees 14 per unit. Purchases, now what is the date? The date is January 5th. Jan 5th, number of units, how much? 800 at rupees 14. It is 800. Here the price is 14. 800 into 14. How much? It is almost 800 and it will be 1120. So I'll calculate once. So it is how much? 800 multiplied with 14. It is 1000. Yeah. It is around 11,200. Now 11,200. So now it is for 80, it is 1120. If it is 800, it comes around 11,200. Now last column, you should write the balance. 100 as it is. Now you copy this 800 at rupees 14 at 11,200. Up to this, any doubt? Hopefully there is no doubt, because whatever purchases we make, we have to add along with that. Now, what is the next one? Next, January 14th. Again, there is a purchase of 500 units. January 15th. 15th? No, it is 14th. January 14th. So how much we purchased? We purchased 500 at rupees 15 per share or per unit. 500 at rupees 15. So how much it will be? It will be 7,500. We will calculate once. So 500 multiplied with 15. It comes around 7,500. Now 7,500. So the same thing we have to copy. In case of purchases, always remember we should write the old one and we should copy that. Now this will be your old one. 100 into 12, 1,200. 800 multiply with 14, 11,200. So this is all about your old balance. For the old balance, you should add your new balance also. What is your new balance? 500 into 15, it is 7,500. Now 500, 15, 7,500. Your complete calculation is done. Now we'll go for the next one. Next. The next one is January 17th. January 17th, there is an issue of 600 units at the value. Always remember, for issue, they will not give you value. Now, when it is happened, 23rd, always remember, never forget your adjustment. Why? Because adjustment date is important. Why? See, 17th, 20th, 22nd. Before you go to 25th, you should complete 23rd, then you have to come back to 25th. If you do 25th and then you go for 23rd, your problem will be wrong. Remember that. Now, as per this, we'll go for 17th. As per 17th, issue of 600 units. 17th, Jan 17th. So, number of units, it will be 600. We are doing FIFO method or LIFO method. We are doing LIFO method. In case of LIFO method, we should take this one, the last one. Now, how much we need? We need 600. Do we have 600 here? The answer is no. Why? Because we have only 500. Take 500. In this, take 500. Value is 15. 7,500. Now, this is done. Out of 800, how much you need? You needed only 100. Now, 100, what is the value? 14. This will be around 1,400. 100 into 14, 1,004. Now you write down the balance. First one you have not used only. Second, out of 800, you have used 100. What is the balance? 700. So, multiply with 14. The answer is around 10,000, 9,800. We will check once. The 700 multiplied with 14. Yeah, 9,800. Next it will be 500 we have used completely. 100 we copied. 800 we have written 7. Why? Because 100 we have used. Now, this is your closing balance. Now, we'll go for the next. So, on 20th, there is a purchase of 800 units. Now, on January 20th. Now, come to January 20th. 800 units. What is the value? The value is 800 at the value of 16 rupees per unit. Now, 16 rupees. What is the value? We'll calculate 800 multiplied with 16. You will get 12,800. Now, 12,800. Your answer is almost 12,800. Now, we have to write the balance. How to write balance? First, copy the old one. Later, you come for new. So, in this, 100 into 12, 1,200. 700 into 14, 9,800. And the last one, 800, 16. And the last one, it is 12,800. So, write this carefully. Why? Because everything we have done step by step. The last column, balance column, should be written with lines. Why? Because there won't be any confusions. You should not shuffle. Now, so up to this, up to Jan 20th, we have completed. We'll go for next. Your Jan 22nd. Jan 22nd, what happened? There is a issue. Issue of how many units? 1,200. How much we needed? 1,200. I'll go back. So, in this, January 22nd, 1,200. Jan 22nd. Now, out of 1,200, we need 1,200. Now, how much we have? We have 800 first. Take 800. So, issue column 800. What is the value? The value is 16. Why we have taken 800? Because we are doing Lifo method. Always go for the last one. Now, 800 into 16, 12,800. Now, once if it is done, I have written one column next. So, I'll change that. So, 800 into 16, 12,800. So, how much we needed? We need 1,200. How much we got? We got 800. Still, we need 400 more. Now, how to get this? In this, you take 400 from this. Now, 400. What is the value? We have value of rupees 14. So, 14. It will be around 4,000 and around 6,000. 5,600. So we'll check once. We'll check once in this 400 into 14. So it is 5600. What is the balance? How to write balance? I'll come back. Your first one we have not used only. Now this is 100 into 12,200. Now second box, out of 700 you have used 400. What is the balance? 300. Now 300 into 14, how much it will be? We'll count. It will be around 4,200. 4,200. This is done. Now this one you have used completely. So we will not consider 800. We will consider only part from 700. Hope you are clear. Now this is done. We'll go to next. So after 22nd, what will come? 23rd. See here, 23rd, there is a shortage of 20 units. Shortage means what? It is a issue. 20 units. On 23rd, so this is your closing balance. On 23rd, January 23rd, so shortage of 20. There are two boxes are there. Which one you should go? In case of Lifo, you should go for the second box. Remember, in case of Lifo, you should go for second box. Now, out of 300, we need only 20. Now, what is the value? We have 14. So, it will be how much? It will be 280. Now, what is the balance? First box you have not used. Now, 100 into 12,200. Now, out of 300, we have used 20. So, what is the value? Balance. Balance is 280. 280 into 14. How much you will get? You will get around 3,920. We'll check. 280 multiplied with 14. 3,920. So this is done. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt. Now, up to this we have completed. Again, go back to your question. In the question, this is that your 23rd week completed. Now you have to go to 25th. Your 25th, you have purchased 1,400. Now, what is the value? It is 13. We'll go back to that. 25th, you have purchased how much? 1,400 at 13. 1,400 at rupees 13. We'll calculate 1,400 multiplied with 13. It is 18,200. So, what is the value now? We'll write the final answer. We'll copy the old one. 112,200. 280, 14, 3,920. Now, we'll copy the new 1,400. So, how much it is? 13. How much? 18,200. Any doubt up to this? Up to this, hope there is no doubt. Again, I'll go back. So, in this, January 28th, there is a issue of 1,200 units. How to do? We'll do that. January 28th, 1,200. January 28th, 1,200. How much you have in the last box? You have 1,400. Will you go for that? Yes, we have to go for last box. How much we needed? 1,200. Now go for this. Out of this 1,200, value 13. We'll see how much you will get. 1,200 multiplied with 13. So you will get, it is 15,600. So write down the balance. This we have not used. Copy paste. 112,200. Second box you have not used. 280, 14, 3,920. Third one you have used. How much you have used? Up to 1,200 you have used. What is the balance? The balance is 200 into 13. It will be 2,600. We'll cross check once. So 200 multiplied with 13, it is 2,600. Now, these all about your up to January 28th. Next, last one, January 30th, there is an issue of 350 units. Now, issue how much? 350. We'll do that. So, what is the date? January 30th. So, I'll go to last slide. January 30th, how much we need? 350. So, you have 3 boxes here. Which box you can go? Last box. How much we have? 200. But how much we need? 350. Do you have sufficient? No. If it is not sufficient, we should go for next box. First, we'll take this one. So, 200 into 13. 200, 13. 2,600. This box we have used. We'll go to second box. Out of 280, how much you need? 150. Now, 150. See the total. Total is 350. What is the value? Value is 14. So, we'll see. 150 multiplied with 14, how much? 150 multiplied with 14, it is 2,100. Now we have to write the balance. Now, do you use the first box? No. So, what we should do? Copy, paste. 100 into 12, 1,200. 100 into 12, 1,200. Now, second box, have you used? Yes. How much you have used? 150. So, you have used 150. So, balance is how much? 130. 130. Remember, how come you got 130? I'll write down there itself. So, in this, 280 minus 150. Like this, you got, see, out of 280, I have used 150. The balance is 130. Similarly, I write down the working note for everything. Like, so out of 1,400, it is 200. How much? This is 1,400 minus 1,200. So, these are the working note so that easy to understand. Now, so up to this we have completed 130. What is the value? 130, the value is 14 rupees. So how much you will get? So 130 multiplied with 14. 130 multiplied with 14. So you will get 1,820. 1,820. Up to this, any doubt? Hopefully, no doubt. Now, so up to this we have completed. Now, see, this 200 you have used. So, we will not copy again. Now, so now what is the total? Yeah, total is almost 3,020. So, 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000 plus it is 3,020. Now, what is the number of units? It is 230. So, this is your closing stock. Hope you remember. Like this, you need to calculate. I'll go back to all the slides so that you can take a screenshot. So, this is your question. In the question, we have adjustment called 23rd January. There is a stock verification revealed a shortage of 20 units. So your answer, first part, we have done up to January 20th. So this is your second part, we have done till Jan 28th. So this is your last part, we have completed with Jan 30th. So this is all about your today's session. In the next session, we'll go with more adjustment and we'll wind up here this LIFO FIFO method. Thank you.